Welcome sa ato ang online SEO Bootcamp by Pinoy SEO and SOBA. About your main SEO coach, that's me. My name is Rene Leandro Padilla.
Hi, maayong gabi sa tanan. I am Millie Joy Sapyong. I am from Ligan City.
And Luis Tanan. Ako din si Judith Padilla Gomez.
Hazel Ann De La Cruz.
I am actually from Bacolod City.
Hello, my name is Ducci Marcondina, but you can call me Duch.
Yes, my name is Manilyn Emer.
My name is Lawrence Bridge Valencia.
I'm Brian Maglinte. Graduate ko sa Miss University.
I'm Joshua. I'm originally from Cebu City, pero...
Hi, I'm Nobeling May, a Duarte coach.
So, I am Irene Abordo.
Gabi sa tanan, ako din si Elos Froy Abayon.
Hello guys, you can just call me Cons for short. And